And if nothing really matters, and this place just isn't true, I'll be happy that I wasted all this time just lying next to you. Dreams, I can't time.